So here we have the Tineco Combo and we have the Tineco S5. So this is the Tineco Floor 1 S5 and the Tineco Floor 1 S5 Combo. They will come with the 30% larger bins versus the Floor 1 S3s. So they have 30% larger water bins, 30% larger water tanks. So waste bins and water tanks are 30% larger. That is huge. Actually, this is probably the most important feature change from the Floor 1 S3 because it's wider and bigger, it doesn't get clogged. It's much less likely to get clogged. And because you have these brush rolls here that are sticking out, it's going to be able to go edge to edge. So this can go all the way to your baseboards. No longer will you have an area that doesn't get coverage. The other difference is, watch, this one is attached, right? This is just a wet dry mop vac. This guy is a combo unit. So on the combo unit, I can detach this and put it into a handheld mode. So the combo unit is substantially lighter as well. So it's going to be a lot lighter. So let me show you. I took out the motor battery, and on the combo you will be getting your attachments. So here is your waste bin. Here is our combo unit. So the combo unit is going to allow you to make it into handheld and handheld mode, right? Handheld mode. So this has a handheld mode. You can also, even in handheld, you can see that you have the indicator light, and the combo will have this inner wheel. So if I want to jack up the power, I can medium, high, medium, high. You can also see that it's indicating that it is on combo on the handheld mode and not on the vacuum mode. Battery life on this combo will last you about 20 minutes total runtime. But the great thing about the Tinecos is that they work so efficiently. This has to be to me, my personal favorite is the combo. Doing a lot of floor cleanup, this is gonna be the better bet in my opinion, because you get that 35 minutes of runtime. So depending on your floor situation and how much square footage you have, it might be a better bet for you. But for our household, the combo is the better bet because it's so light. This is the lightest of all of the wash dry vacs, but it works, and I tested this. The combo works just as well as the regular. It is just the only real difference, in my opinion, is that you get the handheld here. This is lighter, and you get less battery life. Otherwise, they work pretty much very similarly. It comes down to battery life. So you decide which one you prefer. I like both, and let's just show you. Here is your brush roll. Here's your brush roll. They will self-clean themselves. The displays are where you can see a size difference. Here's the display on your combo, and here is your display size on your Tineco Floor S5 regular. This is not detachable, but everything else, I mean, the handles are pretty much the same. You have different buttons here. The same button layout. This just says Auto Max. This one will have a speed. And other than that, the bases are the same. I like both.